For this video, we are going to do a Mailchimp landing page tutorial. So Mailchimp is known for its email marketing services, but it also offers powerful tools for creating a landing page. So these pages can help you capture leads, promote products, and grow your audience. So to create a landing page, first just log into your email or Mailchimp account, if you have an account. And if you don't have an account yet, you just need to sign up using the link that I have in the description down below. So after logging in, just click this create button situated on the upper right corner of your screen, and you'll have these three options. So from it, you just need to pick landing page, click building page or build landing page. And now let's name our landing page and choose the audience that it will target. So I'm just going to name it as landing page sample 2. So there you go, and select audience, and after that click begin. Now Mailchimp offers a variety of templates that is available for you to use. It is tailored to different needs from lead generation up to the product promotion. Now you just need to pick right here based on your needs. I'm going with grow your list template. Now we've chosen a template, let's customize it to fit our brand and purpose. So customizing your landing page is where you can truly make it your own, and you can add images, text, buttons, and more. So as you can see here on the right sidebar of your screen, you'll be able to see different blocks. So remember that your landing page should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Just keep your messaging clear and concise. And one of the key features of a landing page is its ability to capture leads. So let's add a sign up form right here on the bottom part of your landing page. So since it is already available for the default of the template, you just need to leave that one. And you can also integrate other tools and services like Google Analytics to track your page's performance. And I believe that is only available for a upgraded version of the account or a paid version of the Mailchimp account. So after that, just select from the options or from the blocks that is available for you. So for mine, I'm just going to add a text. So I'm just going to delete the existing one, so then I can be able to show you how I did that. So I'm going with the text option right here. I'm going to drag it on this section or the section that I want to place it. I'm going to put that on this section. Now you just need to type in the content. After that, you can now edit edit the layout and the font style or font size of your text. So I'm going to with the example channel. I'm just going to highlight this one and select from the styles, or I'm not going to change the style. I'm going with this font, and then I'm going to make it bigger. There you go. After that, click save and close. And if you want to add more, you have here divider. So I'm going to add a divider on the section. And then I'm also going to add social follow. So this feature allows you to have social media buttons available for your landing page or available on your landing page. And you have different options. So you have here on Facebook, or you have these different options from Facebook up to the website if you want to add your website. So I have X, and then on this section, this is where you can paste the link for your Facebook page or your X, or the link for your X page, and also for your website. And this is also where you can type in the display text for your social buttons. So that's that. Now, if you are satisfied with what you have, then it is also important to preview and test your landing page to ensure everything works perfectly. So just click this preview button situated on the upper right corner of your screen. So testing helps you catch any issues and make necessary adjustments before going live. So once you're finished, you just need to go back, click the save and close, and publish it. So after publishing your landing page, You can share the link on your website, social media, and email campaigns. And after publishing, it is important to monitor your landing page's performance to understand what's working and what needs improvement. And Mailchimp provides detailed analytics to help you optimize your landing page for better results. So just go to the analytics section located on the right left side bar of your screen, and you'll be able to see different data for your marketing activities here in Mailchimp. So this is just a sample data. Take note of that. So you can monitor your performance on this section. This is your performance over time and your conversions. Also, you can see that in here, the and delivery. So that's that. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.